Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo V40 on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further should you wish to by folding down either or both of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I said, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see that it's in fantastic condition, particularly for its age, the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, first of all, we have the fuel gauge. We then have the coolant temperature gauge, the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and on the far right-hand side, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment. In the dead centre, you can also see the total miles of this car. They are 60,202. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, speed limiter, we have stereo controls and phone controls as well. And over in the centre is the main stereo itself. So we're on the radio at the moment just there. You can see that this car has got DAB radio available. You can also access your AM and FM radio, as you can see. All the movement that I'm currently making on the screen is being done. You can use the physical buttons just here. I was using the dial, so I'd gone back a step, and then you can rotate the dial and press OK to enter any one of those different wave bands should you wish to. Hitting radio just here will give you the same option. Media is where you'll listen to your own music. So you can now see on the screen that we have got our CD player, USB input, we have iPod input beneath that. HDD is the hard disk for the vehicle, so you can save your own music that way should you wish to. And we have Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly. Hitting the phone button will take you to the pairing phone menu, and then just follow the instructions on screen from there. Down here, so we have the dial, we have the buttons. This is where you can control your main volume for the car. And then below that, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can hit left and right from here and control your temperature both up and down for passenger and driver side. Fan speed is controlled here, so up, and you can hear that starting to kick in, and down again, of course. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, of course, or hit auto. The car will now take full control to maintain, and you can hear it doing that, the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away and allow you to put it back on your own settings in the car here. We've also got a heated driver and passenger seat, so 3 different settings for the passenger seat and 3 different settings for the driver's seat as well. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. If I move that out of the way, we have forward collision warning, lane departure warning. You can turn your parking sensors on and off. You can also turn off the stop and start in the car as well. And we have the, gear lever for your fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we hold for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document. The key you're looking at there is the spare key. So there are 2 keys in total. We then have the service book, which shows the pre-delivery inspection back in 2014, and then services in 2015, 16, 17, 19, 20, 22, and over the page here, 2024. So plenty of service history with this car as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.